Hello, how to solve this radical problem? This is square root of a plus square root of negative a equals 32. Solving for the value of a. So we start by moving this over here. That means we have square root of a equals 32. This now becomes minus root of negative a. So from here, to eliminate the square root here, we take the squares of both part of this equation. This eliminate this, so we have a here equals, for this we expand. We have 32 minus square root of negative a times 32 minus square root of negative a. So from here we have a equals 32 times 32, which is 32 power 2, 32 times negative root of negative a. So we have minus 32 root of negative a. This times this, we have minus 32 root of negative a. And this times this, we have plus, this will be square root of negative a to the power of 2. So from here, we have a equals 32 times 32. So you can multiply that out. That is 1024. So we have minus 32 root negative a minus 32 root negative a. So this is minus 64 root negative a plus this cancel the square here. We have negative a. So from here, I can move this over here. It has, and now becomes a plus a equals 1024 minus 64 root negative a. So from here, a plus a, this is 2a equals 1024 minus 64 root negative a. So I can divide this by 2 and divide this by 2. This eliminate this, I have a equals, this is 1024 divided by 2 minus 64 root negative a divided by 2. So from here, I have a equals, this is 512. Then we have minus this, divide this, we have 32 root negative a. So what do we do? I can simply decide to eliminate this square root here by moving this over here. I have a minus 512, and this equals minus 32 root negative a. So to eliminate this, I take the square of this. Again, I take the square of this. So to expand this, it simply means a minus 512 times a minus 512 equals this. We still have negative 32 times root negative a power 2. So a times a, that is a squared. A times this, we have negative 512a. This times a, we have negative 512a. This time this, we have plus 512 power 2 equals, here we simply distribute this to each of the terms here. We have negative 32 to the power of 2 times square root of negative a to the power of 2. So from here, we have a squared minus this is 1024 a plus 5 1 to power 2 equals negative 32 power 2 is the same thing as 32 power 2. That is 32 times 32, and that's 1024 times this cancel this. We have negative a. So from here we have a squared minus 1024 times 8 plus 5 1 to power 2 equals this is, if you multiply this out, you have negative 1024a because there's minus here. So from here, this is negative 1024a. This is negative 1024a. It cancels out. I have a squared plus 5 1 to power a equals 0. So from here, I have a squared equals negative 5 1 to power a. Five 1 to power 2, not a, so this is power 2. Because it's power 2 here, so it's power 2. Now we are solving for a, so I take square root of this. I take square root of this. This eliminate this, so I have a equals, we can have, this is plus or minus square root of, this is negative 1 times square root of 5 1 to power 2. So from here we have a equal to this plus or minus square root of negative 1 is I. We have I times this, cancel this, so we simply have, since this will cancel this, we have 5 1 2. So right now we have two complex values for a. So we simply have, we have a1 equals, this is I times 5 1 2. And we also have a2. So we have equals negative I times 5 1 2. So these are the two values for a that we have gotten. And that is it. And if you want to actually check, you can decide to verify. I would like you to try that one in your video, and let's check and drop it on the comment box if the both values will satisfy the equation. Try it and let me see on the comment box. But before you try it, take note of this. If you want to verify it, remember that square root of negative 1 equals I, meaning if you take the squares of both of this, that means this and this cancel out, that means negative 1 equals I power 2. You need to consider this identity, negative 1 equals I power 2, because you will need it right here when you are verifying. So guys, that is it. Thank you and goodbye.